So viewers, due to some issues, we have to take the previous video of the smash and pass, but I have re-edited it, and now I hope you guys enjoy it, although you guys cannot see the YouTubers images. As you know, this is a disclaimer video. Big up on yourself, see me. What going on, people? It's your boy CJ aka Bobajoe TV there for the second part of Smash or Pass Jamaican celebrity and everywhere in the world celebrity. You don't know Alan Ice King TV there, see him here, so you know say nothing normal, you understand? So we have a phone and load up with couple girls, you see me? Because we're not doing nothing with man, you understand? You know what things said, so let's get right into the video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share the thing, you understand? You don't know, I wonder if I smash, pass or marry.
No, so we're not dealing with the man.
You're not dealing with the marry?
No, sir. Man, we tied up.
Yeah, so you're not married?
No, sir. Yeah, I'm married, but I don't know.
Man say you're not married. So, alright, so I'll smash or pass then?
Yeah, smash, pass.
Alright, but first thing, me no want no YouTuber take this as offense. You understand? So you see the couples YouTube people them, me no want to say yo, Bobajoe, Alan Ice, I was smashing a girl and try to take on a girl. We not in that.
Like that, man.
This is for entertainment purposes only. So you know what things set, you know. Let's get on the video the right way. You see me? Smash couple of them ladies here. Really, cause man, some of them, you know that. Yo, man, some of them really, nice, man, you know.
Like, I like it.
Nice, but man. So let's get on the video. You see it. What a minute that?
Ready?
Alright, so let me start the screen recorder because I want to make sure the thing up and running, you know. You see me? So as me I say, like Alan Ice King TV link is in the description, you see it? So go subscribe to the G channel, you see it?
Follow me on Instagram. Alan
Ice King Instagram. I don't know Instagram, yo.
Yo, let me tell you again now. Alan Ice _
360
underscore fan page underscore.
Yo, that's the too long, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yo, no follow him, man. Alan Ice 360.
Right.
You see it? Simple. Alright, so see the video start here. So
Ready?
which one we start with? We'll start from below.
You must have, man. Start from the top. Where you talk about?
You know yet? Sango, starting from the bottom now, we here.
Oh, no, man, start from the top.
Alright, so we'll start from. We'll start climbing ladder now, you see it? We'll start climbing ladder. We can't climb down the ladder and we don't start climbing yet, you see me? So we start right here. So here's the first person. Smash or pass, Alan Ice.
When I pass, I want to know that.
You're a pass, she.
This
is the official.
Man, I pass her, man.
From Upper Chester.
I pass her, man.
Alright, too close with she there now, make you a pass her.
No, like her.
Look
Me
on
and Faith. No, sir, I'm not pass her, man.
You're a pass her? Alright, with me now. Me know me see the picture of them and me know say the official is a nice clean body woman, isn't it? Isn't it? So, would I smash her? No jokes. No jokes. Alright, so. Alright, see another one. Smash or pass?
Smash! You know that? Shenseea, that in the youth. What you mean?
Everybody would have smashed Shenseea.
Shenseea, forget smash, is it?
She nice, brother.
What you mean?
She clean, brother.
Clean! Oh my god! Wow! Shenseea, smash her here.
And she sexy too. Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. Smash or pass? Jada Kingdom.
But I smash that for that, you know. But me not like
Alright, let me show you something.
What you mean?
It's a big bottom.
Big bottom. Jada Kingdom.
Smash.
Oh,
Mother smash Jada. Yo, you see me know Jada from she there Jamaica. Me would have want Jada. No jokes.
Right, the moment the money was there.
Jada about how much years older than me. Jada ain't enough years older than me. Yeah.
Smash that, you see me?
Jada, if you get me number, link me.
3342.
Alright, so we have how old is? We have what person? Alright, so smash our pass.
Does that look like twice beat it? Oh.
Smash our pass, man. Don't worry about woman.
That's smash him, man. What you talk about? You see you look good.
Yo, twice enough you know we in that.
Man, you see me know.
This is Neeks from Toy and Neeks, you see me? And
Neeks, big up yourself.
me would have smashed her. How much somebody will say we have smashed her? Me have smashed all of them already.
You smash this one away.
Oh yeah, go on. So on that picture of Neeks,
Look good, man.
You see it? Alright, you have smashed her pass, she.
You can't show me somebody from back. You have to show me in face, man.
No man, just tell me if you have smashed her pass, she.
Now you have to show me in face, brother.
No man, what I want to reach your face, man.
No, sir. Me not smash
Watch
no
out,
face and me not see. You might.
Alright. Smash her pass.
No, man. Me not smash her, man. Me not.
Why you would smash Nickii, dog?
No, sir.
Why you would smash
She a
Nickii?
good girl and thing, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. But I don't know.
Yo,
I think so.
with me, you know, would have smash Nickii. You see me? Would have smash Nickii. No jokes. No jokes tonight. Look how Nickii nice, brother.
She nice, yes, but
Big up yourself and Klein.
she nice, yes, but nah, smash that one, isn't
I run from Nickii because Nickii might damage him. Alright. You that smash that one?
How that? Abby?
You that smash that one?
How that? Abby?
This is Nickii and Krissi.
But what you mean?
Yo,
Wicked.
I know joking thing,
So doesn't know what? That's smash her.
Big up yourself, Roza.
Big up yourself, Roza. That's smash her. For real, man.
Krissi, nice, a nice, cool lady, you know.
Alright, man. Wait up, man.
Look how Krissi nice. I smile them nice, you see? Mother smash.
Me and
Krissi.
Fit, watch out. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, joke, man. Look for Krissi. Krissi nice, man. No jokes. Alright, so I could watch her video. Smash her pass, she. Smash her pass.
You first go on, come on. Look on her.
You would smash her pass, she.
I mean, no, sir.
Smash her pass, she.
I'm smash her, man. I talk about.
But I don't see a nice Kayla this one.
Nice
From Ken and Kayla, yeah.
What's that?
The girl we can speak the English British accent.
How that smash him?
Kayla, you
oh.
Kayla, big up on
Smash
yourself.
Big up yourself.
You can't look Kayla because me and them supporters, me can't look Kayla. Alright, just smash her past she. Don't worry out. Yeah, I know.
I can tell you how this thing.
Oh, this.
But me not smash him.
Oh.
Look like Ken.
Pro.
Giant Ken. And that's him.
Last video me coming out, me say me would marry Ken, but when I smash her, and me still would have smash her. You see me? Because
smash Ken.
me like slim as same way. And me like it thick as them same way. You see me? But me not like the fatty boom boom them. You see it? Ken nice, you know? Ken nice. Look,
She nice, of course, and nice. Nice girl.
Big up yourself, Gio. You that smash her pass, she.
I'm gonna mash up that one up.
You that mash up her?
What do you mean?
This is Trish. Trish celebrity, you see me? Me sure no some would have smash her.
Big up yourself, Trish.
Probably you and she depend on all the same eye too.
What do you mean?
But that's smash Trish, no joke. Look, and she young too, you know? She younger than me. And you. She nice, man. Alright, smash her pass. You don't know what this is YouTuber, yeah? Smash her pass. The same one you identifier.
Pass that one name.
Pass. Alright, so this is Tiger from Trenton Tiger. You see me? Me no know, but me like Muda smash Tiger, you know. Muda smash her because I like how she move, you see it? I mean like she come like she have style in her bed. No jokes. You see as name as she look like she bad. And she come from Spanish Town side. Big up yourself.
I like Spanish Muda smash her.
No, you're that smash her.
Muda smash her.
Yeah.
Bad girl, Muda smash her.
No, you're that smash her.
What do you mean?
Alright. Next to the next person. Smash her pa.
What do you mean?
She's a YouTuber. She
No,
nice.
sir.
But
I don't smash that one.
but she not like man.
That's why I tell you, I don't smash him.
You wanna know why Mother smash her about all the things she not like man, so she not interested in a relationship with no man.
Like she a man, no one smash her.
But Mother smash her, but if she be interested in a man, woulda surely smash her, but me I'll pass her. You see me? Because she not interested in a man, you see me? And I tell her, yo, this is why I would smash her. I would smash her. No joke, but can't smash her, you see me? Big up yourself, you know. Last score. From straight out of Glasgow. Yeah, that's smash her.
What you mean?
Who is this?
What's your name again, man? What's their name again, man? Soon tell her, man. Dolly.
Yeah, that smash her.
What you mean? Smash Dolly, man.
That's smash Dolly. She's
Straight
a
smash
tickers.
Dolly.
One somebody me pass already, though. Two somebody me pass already. You pass over 10 of them.
What you mean?
Alright, next person. Smash her pass.
How do you know?
Not a YouTuber. She's an artist.
Smash him, you know. I want to sing about song again, man.
And she never born in a rich.
Yeah. Smash him.
Shani more.
Shani. Smash it, yeah, my friend.
Not smash her.
What you mean?
She's a YouTuber. I featured her in a previous video. She's a slimmers. She taller than me and you.
I wouldn't smash her. You're mad.
You already smash her, look at it. She's
Like
beautiful, bro.
She's beautiful, yes.
She's really beautiful. Me would have smashed her.
Nothing wrong with her, bro.
If me could have get a link to her, me would have smashed her. But Tyreek, big up yourself. Yeah. Make sure you say you lock her good. Make sure you say you lock her good enough, Tyreek. Yo. Big up yourself, Kayla Klein.
Again.
Kayla Klein. The real way, you know.
Kayla. Yo, Tyreek.
Smash her pass.
No. Smash that one.
Who is this?
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
How that?
Oh, you know, who this?
Probably
The Queen Krissi, this man.
How many is that?
Queen Krissi. From the Cardi family, bro.
Queen
Krissi, I would smash him.
Man, I say someone that smash him, man.
Alright. Smash her pass, she. Come on, you don't know how she YouTuber.
What that, man, show you?
You don't know how she YouTuber.
This look like a man, devil.
So the most man devil that, man.
I'm not smash him. Man, devil that, you know. That girl, devil, you see me? Smash
Me?
her.
No jokes. I would smash Roch. You see it? This is Roch from V.I.D.E and Roch. They can't pronounce the name because that's a email sister. You see me? No for you know way. Big up on yourself with no V.I.D.E. You see me? V.I.D.E done. Straight out of you don't know what things say. Smash her pass. Surely me would have smashed her.
What you mean?
Surely she's an artist. Which kind of artist?
Me don't know him. Look like a girl in him again, man. Soon tell
She and Shenseea drop a song with you. Mayan there.
Smash you, my friend. Here.
Smash her pass.
You must say, hey, Spice a good girl, yeah? But guess what? Me ain't a smash it still. No, lie.
Me ain't a smash it still. No, lie.
Can't take it damage.
She good in but me ain't a smash it
But
still.
he can't take it damage.
Damage.
That's why he can't smash her.
You're
Because
mad.
Spice will cause a big damage.
Yeah, smash it.
Me like dark skin girls and all that.
Yo, I know her skin tone are not my out, but no, like
You run from me.
Spice. I'm
Smash our pass. See the one you know? Yo! This one.
I ain't come from.
You don't know this one?
Mm?
Yo, you gotta be kidding me, bro.
How old is that?
She nice though.
Blood. How would that?
She nice though.
I think that.
This
How would that?
50 cent. Yeah, that's
Champion.
Smash our pass. She.
Mash.
Oh, you mean?
You want mash?
Smash.
You know your man say mash, you want mash
Yes,
that.
I just smash a mash.
We would have a broke name, man, puppy.
Yo, make sure, yo.
Keep it clean.
You that killer?
What you mean? Smash up man.
That smasher.
What you mean?
Keimba.
You know who she favor yourself? Her feet, look, just black out her body. I look on her face. Should have favor coffee.
This is Keimba from Tish and Keimba. You still don't know how she go to work. You need to go over them channel. And them younger than you still. But Keimba.
Younger than me? Where you say?
Smash her. Here. Me woulda smash Keimba, no jokes. Keimba. Me like how Keimba. Alright, smash her pass.
I want to get
Are you skippy, you know?
I mean, definitely.
Ow.
Smash that one. You know, see how this?
Tickers.
Tickers. Abby. What?
Mm.
Big up yourself here, Abby.
I didn't sing something.
Smash her pass.
I smash that one too, you know. What you feel like? So you wait, what you say?
Which one this?
Eh? Me don't know about but smash
Abby
him.
again.
Abby,
Yes.
man.
Abby from Abby
Say
and
look,
Capo.
Abby, I'm my wife.
Yeah, when him put on him makeup.
Me woulda smash Abby too.
Smash. What you
Two
mean?
of them.
Two Abby again. Smash.
Smash her pass.
No next picture.
No man, no next picture and dinner. No next picture and dinner.
Oh, you mean the next picture no did it?
How old is this a picture?
You must be mad, man.
Me woulda smash Cardi B, brother.
Yeah, it's show me somebody with all in face tie up to rat. Is
Which part face tie up here?
Oh, you
Look
mean?
on the face.
Look there.
Face tie up where?
sitting over here.
You know say a Cardi B that, brother. Alright, you don't smash her pass, she.
No, smash. No,
This is Stalk, Ashley. Smash her pass. Woulda smash her too, but
no pass that one there.
I don't know if Stalk Ashley freak or what, but freaky girls are them girls that me love.
No pass that one there, yeah?
Woulda smash her because she look freaky. As a man, I like freaky girls, although me not freaky. You understand? I like when girls can do the freaky stuff. You understand? Alright. So one other picture, yeah.
Fuck that. No, sir. Good man.
Alright, smash her pass.
Smash that one there.
Oh, I wish artist. Not a Jamaican artist.
No,
But you sing a song with popcorn.
Smash him, that's not what you're saying.
But I smash Megan Thee Stallion, see him here. See her blind, eh? Megan Thee Stallion nice now. Gotcha.
Can't pause the video.
Alright, so we are almost at the last site, you see me?
How would I? Let me pass that one there, no.
This is was Benzema.
May I pass that one, you know?
Why you pass was?
That
Pass
girl
that one there,
that's
man.
50%.
Nice was? Rich was?
Me,
I'm singing.
No.
Bleach
pass
out
that
skin
one.
was?
may I pass that one.
Woulda pass her too.
But you come and force me to smash it, boy. You just don't in it. Why me?
Smash her pass.
Smash that one there. I smash that one there. Who that Bobajoe?
Tash.
I'm in one Tash. Check out yourself.
That boy.
Tash, big up yourself.
Smash.
Woulda smash.
Tash smash.
Hear me now? Hey Tash, woulda smash you.
Tash smash.
Me nah dash.
Come.
Hey
go
Tash,
on
woulda smash you. Smash her pass.
Yeah,
This
pass that
is
one,
one I would match. I would smash. See how?
May I pass that one there, man?
No man, yo, Hey, let me go up on her Instagram.
Me a passing.
She nice, you know?
It's for you.
Yo,
No.
she nice, brother, in her real life.
Okay,
But
that's good.
she have some hips, brother, and she's single, brother.
Mm-hmm.
She's the perfect one. But she about 25 or 24 then region, 23 then region. Yeah. She tall and she's a modeler. No, me skipping. Smash her pass on her. Skilly Bang will come for you.
Skilly Bang of a boy, man.
Plane just crash with the coke.
Smash her one of a Skilly. You hear Skilly? She nice, I'm not lie.
This is Taveionn. If I'm right. Taveionn, yeah. Taveionn, yeah. That's how the name per.
She nice.
Yeah, I feel up his screen so that.
She nice, man.
Mine I both you look on here.
Zoom, man, try zoom.
Ah, she see him, man.
She nice, man.
Me that smash Taveionn. Watch out, man, I zoom in for look all over breast. How are this, man?
She nice,
people
man.
not see it on the screen. Man, I zoom in for look all
I know,
over
man,
breast.
a face, man.
She have a nice smile.
You see me?
St. Thomas she come from, she say east side. She see him on that, man. Alright, so that's the last of it. You know the pre-go. You know the root of the fruit already. You know say from you watch the video. If you leave a comment, make you know what you think. And make sure you say you go over to the boy Alan channel, you know. You see me? You can't watch the video. I don't go over there. You understand? So we are signing out. This video is a 20 odd minutes or 20 minutes. So me, big up on yourself and thanks for watching. You understand? Like this, share this. Big up on yourself.
I'm out.
Yeah, straight out. Never.